Are looking the best way to cleanse and charge your crystals? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you, because in this video we are going to show you the best way on how to cleanse and charge your crystals. Before we get started, if you are new here, then do subscribe to our channel. Routinely cleansing and charging your stones are the best way to re-establish your gem to its regular state. This type of care can revitalize your feelings. Numerous individuals use gems to lighten their whole self. How to cleanse and charge crystals. 1. Running water. Water is said to kill any bad energy inside them and return it to purity. Normal running water like a stream is ideal. You can also flush your crystal under a plug. Whatever your water source is, guarantee that your crystal is lowered. Wipe off after completion of the cleansing process for 60 seconds for each stone. Try not to utilize this for crystals that are fragile or delicate, for example, selenite, kyanite, and halite. 2. Salt water. Salt has been utilized from the beginning of time to assimilate undesirable energy and remove cynicism. In case you're close to the sea, think about gathering a bowl of new salt water. Otherwise, you can blend a tablespoon of ocean, rock, or table salt into a bowl of water. Ensure that your stone is lowered, and permit it to splash for a couple of hours to a couple of days. Wash and wipe off when complete. The time duration, as long as 48 hours. Try not to utilize this for crystals that are delicate, permeable, or contain follow metals, malachite, selenite, halite, calcite, lepidolite, and angelite. Methods for charging of crystals. Following are some methods that are used by people to charge them. Full moon charging. The full moon is an amazing point in the lunar cycle, and it does some incredible things for clearing and charging your gems, as well. You should simply place the gem outside on the ground, short-term the evening of the full moon, to accuse it of lunar energy. Soak them in moon water. For another moon-related gem charging choice is making your moon water. You can put your precious stones in this lunar-controlled water for around 60 minutes, or pour the moon water over your gem. Once more, make certain to just do this with stones that can endure getting wet. Bury them in ground. Specialists additionally propose covering your gems to help clear and charge them. Burrow a little opening where you might want to cover your stone, putting the dirt you have taken out into a pottery pot or container. Give them a sound bath. Sound can be an amazing asset with regards to moving frequencies, and in that capacity, it's a top choice of crystals for healing. People have to put them in a singing bowl and ring it. Breath. Your breath can also be utilized for charging precious stones. To clear a stone utilizing your breath, you should initially get your psyche free from any external musings. At that point, hold a gem in one hand and inhale out powerfully while rapidly waving your other hand over the precious stone. Charging visualization. Furthermore, utilizing a perception strategy to charge your stone that is pictured all-inclusive, recuperating light topping your gem off until all the old energy has been broken up. You should see the light grow until it encompasses the stone and fills your hands. Expect that all antagonism be eliminated from the stone and disintegrated. At the point when you naturally feel that the stone has been cleared, you might stop the perception. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and get the cleanse and charge your crystals link in description below.